One second.
Have the Raksha Factory University.
One second. Sunil Jakhar, well said, but you may want to check out, Mr. Jakhar, how many retired bureaucrats have been given post-retirement jobs despite their incompetent records and lack of expertise in these areas. You may want to check today that the National Disaster Management Authority, which is a disaster, has been filled in as a. Why does your government, Mr. Jakhar, have the courage today to say that after this we will throw out all the members of the NDMA? Because one thing is proven, the National Disaster Management Authority is a disaster. But does your government have the courage to make those people answerable? Throw them out of their post-retirement jobs and make them face the reality of their own incompetence? No. Tell me one action that has been taken against the NDMA which is giving itself a certificate today, Mr. Jakhar. Not one act has been taken against them. Shazia Elmi wants to respond to you. Shazia Elmi, please. Miss Elmi.
To anybody other than to the army, Mr.
Shazia Elmi,
Goswami.
please.
And I think
Shazia Elmi, please.
a constructive purpose of this debate would be that some constructive ideas come out of it
Narendra
and
Modi,
we would follow it.
Narendra Modi is playing this game to the elan, this political provocation, and Congress party keeps biting the bait, and they both set a team of people to speak for them who are either brainwashed or totally compromised or who are complete sycophants, which is such a tragedy. Because this is not about Rahul Gandhi or Narendra Modi. Please get it right. This is something much bigger. So you must rise above it.
You should
It
understand.
is not about it. It is not about exactly. So please, let me speak. Let me speak.
Grounds.
But you are doing politics. This insistence of Modi to land there, this refusal of Bahuguna to allow him, this constant game over using an airstrip for helicopter landing, aerial surveys which mean nothing. This must stop. Also, there has to be, sorry to say, let me finish. My dear friend, extend me that courtesy. I think at least now, all of you together.
Excuse me,
let me finish.
One last thing. Come on, the entire nation has to forget
Please don't vent your
politics and we
spleen.
have to
Let
be
others
there
speak.
on humanitarian ground. You too
This is
belong
not
to a
the
political
time
group.
for political
So
hyperventilation.
Stop pointing fingers at one another.
I'm sorry, this is not a time for political hyperventilation.
That's not going to help the nation.
It is a time for
Get
introspection
united, forget about Narendra
and put
Bhai
together a
Modi,
protocol.
and
See, this is
rather
precisely the point.
For the relief of the people.
This is precisely this is precisely the point. This is Miss Asifa, all of this, all of this.
Be thankful about it. Be happy
Asifa,
onto it. Rather than
we might have to give you an airbag.
No, you're absolutely
Arnab, give her an airbag. This hyperventilation must stop.
Absolutely right.
I think she needs an airbag.
When a Congress chief minister is sick,
Calm down. Relax.
Narendra
Take a deep
Modi is
breath.
helping him. Narendra Modi is good.
Well, you know,
the wretched,
you know when.
Calm down.
When 1 second, please.
What are you trying to
1
say?
second, please. You see, all of this could have been. You see, today I think there is only a simple question.
Sad.
That today will political parties stop this? Are they going to stop this effort?
Yes.
Will they stop calling each other names?
Of course we are
Can
not.
I have
We are
no
not
1 minute,
politics,
please?
Arnab.
Can I have?
We are not here.
Arnab,
Can I
one
have?
point.
Can I have?
line.
You know, 1 second, please. Can I have, ladies and gentlemen? Can I just request you? These political parties have come together only for one reason. They've come together a week back to say, don't question either Congress or BJP on why we didn't do anything. We blocked the ecological moves. So I actually had the situation where the political parties came together on that. Then the political parties are together in defending the bureaucracy. Then they are together in defending their incompetence. Over the weekend, attempts started by the political parties to take credit. And let me remind you, Shazia Elmi, that when Arvind Kejriwal goes to cut to pay electricity bills or raises issues on electricity bills, please don't tell me that Arvind Kejriwal doesn't go for a photo op, and you too are a political party, you too do photo ops. You may not have done in this case, but that's not the issue. Shazia Elmi, Nirmala Sitharaman is questioning some of your points tonight.
No,
Nirmala Sitharaman to Shazia Elmi, let her have a turn.
But look at the politics.
Let her have her turn. You're
I
a
will
political
answer that.
party too.
But right now, I think at least now, yes.
You're a
of course we're
political party too.
But have I ever told you, have I once mentioned that so many of our workers, so many of our leaders are in Uttarakhand? Not once have I said it. Because none of us will use it. Because we are not like that. Do you know the kind of work we're doing with the
question
rate
is,
system?
please,
But we
the
never
question
talk
is,
about
the
it,
question
you
is
see?
this.
Because we're not, because it's not about Aam Aadmi Party.
The question
it's
is
about
this.
Aam Aadmi.
The question
And
is this.
Aam Aurat. there's another-
You see, the problem is, once again, the political
We're
parties.
not mentioning, I'm not speaking as an Aam Aadmi Party representative.
Nirmala Sitharaman's turn to respond. I haven't even gone to Hartosh Singh Bal yet. Nirmala Sitharaman is responding, and she's responding to some of your points, I presume, Shazia Elmi. So please have the patience to listen. Ms. Sitharaman, there's a lot of criticism coming your way tonight, and you too have taken a position which is anti-Congress on why politics is being played over disasters, but it appears tonight that the ball is in your court. Please respond.
I'm not taking an anti-Congress position, but I'm taking a position wherein you're trying to equate the Congress with the BJP. And that's unfair. Because what we are doing here is approaching this whole issue in a far more humane and constructive manner. We have not engaged in any duel. It is the Congress party which has been continuously picking up on certain words and throwing at us. Just as they did Maut Ka Saudagar, now they are doing Rambo. I'm sure they're going to regret it, and the people will pay for it. People will give them a punishment for it, fitting reply for it. Now, coming to the point that even when he was there first day, Narendra Modi made very clear that his appreciation for the armed forces, which is doing an excellent work, was tweeted. So to attribute suddenly to say, Ajay Makan or any other person to say that he has been talking ill of the army is misleading the people, and it is my duty to put that on the record. One. Second, it's very also clear that somebody talking about, no, we should give it all to the army. Yes, army is doing a brilliant work. But what was the civilian response to it? The National Disaster Management, the response. 10 years we've been evolving our systems. We should give greater attention to it and make a civilian response available. Otherwise, we are just going to keep,
a simple question.
the army,
A simple question to you, if you take my question. The question everyone is asking tonight is this. No, question everyone is asking tonight is this. Please answer the question. When Hurricane Sandy happened, then President Obama, right, was together with Governor Christie, Democrat and Republican. And if the Americans forget their politics at a time of disaster, I'm asking you tonight, however important, grave, great, fantastic Mr. Modi's efforts were, or however fantastic the aerial survey of Mr. Gehlot was, or however great the job of the Punjab government is in this regard, or however interested Prithviraj Chavan may be, I think it's terrible that you have politics competition over, I give an offer to rebuild the Kedarnath temple and I give an offer to rebuild the Kedarnath temple. Digvijay Singh says, well, Narendra Modi offered, so did Prithviraj Chavan offer. Somebody says, I will offer this much money, I will offer this much money. It's almost as if everybody is in the business of taking credit. And that is the only question tonight. If you are not taking credit, you should have gone there together. It is possible to do that. But even now, when people are talking of death toll in thousands, you're not doing it, Ms. Sitharaman. That is a singular point tonight. And I think you know where I'm coming from. If in America, Democrat and Republican come together, why are Congress and BJP fighting at a time like this?
I differ from what you say. We have given an offer. It is for them to take it or leave it. But to give an offer itself, if you want to use that, I want to highlight here which state government, whichever state government wants to offer, they are offering it. Look at the grace with which it is accepted or rejected. That's what I want to highlight.
Mr. Bapna.
In your attempt to make all political parties seem the same, please don't miss the points which have to be highlighted here for the benefit of your viewers.
Well,
just
I don't. I'm putting the ball in. I'm asking both of you.
Different amounts.
I'm asking both of you, and Sanjay Bapna will be interested in this. 1 second. June 19th, 2010, Mr. Bapna.
I'm going to give a reply. You're not allowing
June 19th,
I'll
2010.
Keep quiet if you want me to.
June 19th, 2010, Mr. Bapna. Ahmed Patel criticized Nitish Kumar for returning the Kosi River Flood Assistance Fund, and his counterpart Narendra Modi He said, Ahmed Patel said, Nitish Kumar should have thought before returning the fund that this money does not belong to any leader. This is the money given by the people of Gujarat to the people of Bihar. Right? My question to you tonight is this.
Right.
If that was the position taken by Ahmed Patel in 2010, do you think it is inappropriate to now say that the Uttarakhand government, which is an example today of failure in governance on disaster management, should be centralizing the efforts, that individual chief ministers should not be carrying out their own relief operations, that different state governments should not try to do what they can individually? Isn't that complete hypocrisy to take a position on Kosi in 2010 and then take allow a different position to be taken in 2013? Mr. Bapna.
You see, what Shri Ahmed Patel
I'll
ji
add
said
one thing to it.
is absolutely
and to sit on judgment
right,
saying,
and
you could give only 2 crores? And some others receiving 5 crores is better. I mean, what kind of a value system is this? I was ashamed of the Congress General Secretary who sits on judgment saying you could give only this much, somebody else could give only that much. What are these kind of approaches
I
to
think somewhere
relief
we have
operations?
lost the lead in this debate.
No, we haven't. We haven't. That this is the reality of what's happening, and the people of this country need to see the way in which political parties are racing for credit. Yes, please, Mr. Bapna.
You see, what Shri Ahmed Patel ji said in 2010 is absolutely right. What Mr. Nitish Kumar did at that point of time was wrong. He should not have done that.
Okay.
And whether it is 1 rupee or 2 rupees or 200 crores or 2 crores, whatever is coming from anyone should be used for relief by each and every government whichever might face with this kind of a problem.
But I just don't
If
understand.
somebody is refusing it, whether it is a Congress government or a BJP government or a Nitish government, it is wrong. It should not be done.
This is so hypocritical.
It is a national calamity. People of this country want to help. I want to help. Whatever is my capacity with which I can do, I will do it. I may give it to the Uttarakhand Chief Minister account. I may give it to the Rajasthan Chief Minister relief account or to the Prime Minister's relief fund.
But then
wherever I can give, or any person can give.
But then I don't understand then, if you all know what is right, why is there so much hypocrisy? What this debate has simply proven, I'd like to get Hartoshan on this.
So
it's simply one fact. It's simply one fact. And I want to tell you, Lalu Prasad said,
If the Uttarakhand Chief Minister is refusing to take the money, he is wrong.